Welcome to the project demonstration of location based car music player using PIC microcontroller. So in this, the main advantage of this project is we are going to play a song based on the location, and that particular locations are stored inside the PIC 16F877A microcontroller. That location is stored in terms of latitude and longitude. So predefinedly, like, we are going to capture those latitude values from the Google Maps, and we are going to store them inside the microcontroller. So that latitude longitude values are considered as a origin, and from there to around 70 to 100 meters it will form as a circle. So if the kit was present in between that circle region, then we have coded to play one song from this APR 333 module. So predefinedly we are going to store in this one the songs, like APR nothing but audio playback recorder. So predefinedly we will record some voices or some songs, and that respective songs will be played based on the trigger input from the microcontroller, and the microcontroller will trigger the voice based on the location in which it was currently located, and that will be getting from this GPS module. So means we are going to get the locations like position, velocity, time from the GPS. In that we are going to capture the position. Based on the position we will get the latitude values, and our microcontroller will check the distance between each and every location. Consider if we stored around 3 locations, so it will check for the first location 1, 2 and current location. What's the distance between these two? Means x1 y1 and x2 y2. So if the distance is less than 100 meters, then it will consider as okay, we are near to location 1. So like the same thing, location 1, 2, 3, it will keep on checking the distance between these 2 points, and if it is less than 100 meters, then it will consider as we are within the region, and then it will play a respective song with help of this API 333 module through the speaker. So the whole system driven by this 12 volt 1 amp battery, and continuously we are going to show the status of latitude longitude values along with location name on this LCD screen. So this is a rechargeable battery. So we are going to provide the 12 volts input to this motherboard. So on this motherboard there is a 7805 regulator which will take 12 volts DC input and provide us the 5 volts DC outputs. So this is a reset switch to restart the microcontroller, and this one is the crystal oscillator to provide the clock pulse to the microcontroller. So before switch on the kit, you should keep your battery fully charged. To recharge the battery, just connect this to the 230 volts AC inputs, and our regulator power supply board will convert the AC to DC and DC to pure DC voltage, and there we are going to provide the input to our battery. So once the battery is fully charged, it will be fully charged in a duration of 8 hours. So means you should keep the battery charging for at least 8 hours. So after the time completion, you can switch off the charging circuits. Right. So now consider the battery is fully charged, and now place the kit under the sky view, because the GPS, any GPS will work under the sky view only, because it need to get the satellite vision, then it will provide us the exact location values. So now this is the main on off switch. Switch on the kit. Then there is a welcome message on the LCD screen initially, and if the GPS get the satellite
to the project location based car music player.
Right. So initially there is light indication. You can see that if the light is blinks, then right. So we are at the location of HVS Hyderabad. Now the system keep on playing the song directly. If the light blink stops, then you are at unknown location. If the light start blinking, it will get the exact location values directly. So if you keep on moving with this device, so when you are entering into the stored locations, then the distance is going to be the less than 100 meters. Then automatically the song will be placed out of from the speaker.